Hello and welcome to Sonyabeonit channel. Today we're outside. I wanted to come out here and show you some of the progress that have been made to the house. My lawn care guy came out today to do the yard, so I need to go ahead and put this pine straw down. So I figured while I'm out here, I will go ahead and just show you the progress that have been made to the outside of the house. I got the porch painted, and then I have ceiling fans put up. I got some pine straw down here. I was hoping that my lawn care guy was going to put the pine straw down for me, but I guess he said not for $5, Sonya. I just felt like $5 would have been the appropriate price to pay, considering that I did not have that much pine straw. But he was like, hell to the no. So I said, okay, I got here and do it myself, because once we finish that, we're going to go to the back and we're going to work on my grill so we can throw down. I didn't have the opportunity to do it in the summertime, to work on it, to repair it. So I went by Home Depot, bought everything that I need. We're going to do the grill next. But let me go ahead and show you the progress. All right, take a look. Oh, one last thing I forgot to mention. I try to put on like a top up under here, as well as something light, so if anything fall on me from the tree, I can see it. As you can see, my hair is always tied up anyway, so. But yeah, I have to do this because one year, when I used to cut the grass all the time, I was outside cutting the grass, and around that tree, I think a tick fell up in my shirt and embedded under my breast for 2 years, and I was sick. Just that long until it was pulled out. So I have to make sure that I'm covered. Anytime you're doing yard work, make sure you're covered, and try to wear light colored clothing, because if anything fall on you, you will see it. But as you can see, I have on like a sweatshirt. So we ain't doing that. There's a little bug out here now. Look at that bug. Can't even identify what the hell it is. Look. See, stuff like this happens. All right, let's get started. That's why I tell them $5, because look, I just need that tree done, and then right here in front of this bed. Anything I have left over, I'm going to put it on the opposite side of those bushes. But I think I want to repaint this probably black now. Because I don't want it to settle on top. I want it sort of to mix in with what, oh, I'm out of breath, with what I already have put down. Okay, when I do this side, I gotta be careful because there's a black snake that is around this bush all the time. So I gotta be a little bit careful when I do up in here. All right, so I got that little bit left. I'm gonna take it and put it on the inside. I'm still gonna have to get the right look like, because I can't leave this like this. I have this little bit left. I'm gonna try to spread it in between here. I'm gonna have to go buy some more because I gotta do all of that, but that fit just perfect in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably buy 5 more because I want to do the side of the house as well. But to fill this in, and then in between here, I'm going to crush up some mothballs and spread it like powder. So I need a little bit more so I can do the back side up here. Took the blower and made that very neat. around the tree. Gotta make sure my baby's protected. This frog has been sitting here for at least 17, 18 years I've been here. This frog been sitting here. I got that from Ashley Furniture Store 18 years ago. And it's still holding up through all kinds of weather. Okay, so I'm done with that for today. Come on back. I'm heading to the back now, but I have the energy to go ahead and start on this grill. And then the next project will be the table, and we're going to do the pots, and then we're going to do the patio. So we can enjoy ourselves outside in the fall. So I hope you have enjoyed the time we've shared together. And I hope this motivates you to get out in your yard, although it's fall time, just to clear your mind a little bit. Just get outside, meditate, clear your mind, and get some fresh air. I hope you've enjoyed the time we've shared together. Until next time, be blessed. Bye, y'all.